Hi guys, so this is a room tour of 2214 on the Carnival Breeze. This is an interior room on deck number 2, so let's go. Alright, coming in. So we have a king size bed. This is going to be a pull down where one of the kiddos is going to sleep. And then of course we have our mirror set up. Here's our TV, so this is definitely a nice compact room. We have our safe in here, and then we have our refrigerator, and of course we have the closet space. So let's see, we have this one has all shelves and a mirror. Then we have the shelf with a full hanging space, and one more like that with the life jackets in the top and some extra towels. So apparently we got a whole lot of towels. Does have the side, guys. So there is only 2 outlets in here and the European plug. So as you know, if you cruised with the Cam Fam before, what's up guys, this is our new cruise shirt, so check it out. Here is hair dryer and of course all the drawers. So our stool, this is a nice setup though for getting ready. Let's take a look at that bathroom. Let's turn this air down so it's nice and cold in here. Alright, so we have our traditional Carnival bathroom. So they have their soap and body wash. That small shower, there's a toilet obviously. We got the shelves, and there's that big mirror. Guys, so again, this is an interior room on deck 2. Nothing fancy, but this is going to be home for the next 5 days.